Allah has chosen people, a special group of people. So people asked, who are these? Define them. The keenness of the companions radiallahu anhum to be at the top level always led them to question whenever something like this was said. The best deed, the best words, the best people, what, who, how? Because they wanted to obtain that rank, that high rank. They didn't settle for just anything. They wanted to be at the top. And that's why Allah Azza wa Jal said, رَضِيَ اللَّهُ عَنْهُمْ وَرَضُوا عَنْهُ. Allah was pleased with them. And they were pleased with Allah. They accepted anything that came from them. So they asked, who are they? Describe, define. He said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, those chosen people, this special group of people, he said, they are the people of the Quran. Those who memorize the Quran, those who frequently recite the Quran, those who study the Quran, those who teach the Quran are the chosen people of Allah. Special people, special rank by the virtue of the Quran, by the virtue of the Book of Allah. Reciting, learning, memorizing, teaching, understanding, applying. This makes us worthy of being amongst those mentioned in the narration.